Hello viewers, today we will talk about what is traded in the Forex market. The simplest answer is money, because you are not buying or selling any physical things. That's why Forex trading can be kind of confusing. Let me describe you so you can get a clear understanding of what traded in Forex. Think of buying a currency as buying a share in a particular country. Kinda like buying stocks of a company. The price of the currency is usually a direct reflection of the market's opinion on the current and future health of its respective economy. In Forex trading, when you buy a particular currency as an example, you buy the Japanese yen. You are basically buying a share in the Japanese economy. You are betting that the Japanese economy is doing well and will even get better as time goes. Once you sell those shares back to the market, hopefully you will end up with a profit. Remember though, in Forex, currencies are quoted in pairs. So when you're buying Japanese currency, you are also selling against currency at the same time. That's why when the Japanese currency price increase compared to against currency, and then you make profit. But if the Japanese yen price decreased compared to against currency, then you will lose the trade. In Forex, you can make profits on both sides, either it's buy or sell. If you forecast a particular currency price will rise, then you can put your trade to buy side, or if you forecast the price will fall, then you can put your trade to sell side. And if your forecast proves correct, then you will make profit. But if your forecast proves wrong, then you will lose your money. In general, the exchange rate of a currency versus other currencies is a reflection of the condition of that country's economy compared to other countries' economies. I hope you got it. Now, let's talk about major currencies, although you can trade so many currencies in Forex. As a new trader, you will probably start trading with the major currencies. The currencies is included in the chart are called the majors because they are most widely traded ones. In general, there are 8 most traded currencies in Forex. The US dollar, USD, the euro, EUR, the Japanese yen, JPY, the British pound, GBP, the Swiss franc, CHF, the Canadian dollar, CAD, the Australian dollar, AUD, the New Zealand dollar, NZD. You probably noticed that in all currency symbols there has 3 letters, where the first 2 letters indicate the name of the country and the third letter indicates the currency name of that country. For example, USD and NZD. USD stands for United States dollar, and NZD stands for New Zealand dollar. That's it guys for today's lesson. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next lesson. Till then, have a good time.